Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what counts as an unknown message, unknown number, spoofed email, or message with links. Once done, open the message and capture header details or a screenshot. Next, use the built-in block or report feature in your messaging or mail app to stop further delivery. Make sure to silence notifications while you proceed so you don't react to follow-ups. These first actions remove immediate risk and give you data to escalate if needed. Now you take control with rules and services that catch unknown messages before they reach you. First, configure your mail or messaging app filters to route unknown senders to junk or quarantine. Include rules for messages containing links, attachments, or suspicious keywords. Then enable carrier spam protection and block known spam ranges or country codes. Finally, set automation to auto-delete or flag messages that match high-risk patterns. Doing so, finish by verifying the system works. Send a safe test from a secondary number or ask a friend to check delivery and confirm the unknown messages are blocked or quarantined. Once confirmed, review your junk/quarantine folder weekly to catch false positives and adjust rules. If unknown messages persist despite filters, reset relevant network or app settings and escalate to your carrier or service provider with the headers and screenshots you saved. Troubleshooting tip: if blocking fails, use a factory reset of the messaging app before further escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.